Hello everybody, this is Jessa. Welcome to my vlog. Yes, I can't believe I finally said those words. It's pretty crazy because, to be honest, I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, but I always hesitate a lot since I feel so awkward in front of the camera. If you're my friend, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Whenever I take a selfie, I would usually cover my face using my phone or just take it from an angle wherein I'm only this tiny, which is not a good thing, right? If you want to be a vlogger. But today, I finally found the courage to just do it and have fun. I think this channel will be about my day-to-day life in Surabaya as an expat, since I am currently based here. I'm Filipino, by the way, and also my adventures at work, also beyond work, which is my favorite part, and probably just a digital diary of the tiny details of my life. I know it's not interesting, but I just want to document everything. And by the way, huge shout out to my friend Mayan for encouraging me to do this. She's been asking me to do this for like years now, but then I always feel shy. But finally, Mayan, we're doing this. Yeah. And for today's video, I think I'm just going to take you to the grocery store. That's so lame. To the grocery store, supermarket, since I need to shop because I ran out of stocks and need to cook later for my dinner. And yeah, let's go. Okay, I think I mentioned earlier that I'm gonna be cooking for my dinner, and that's correct. So I've decided to just share it to you. Today I'll be having meatball spaghetti. Nothing fancy, so don't expect. I'm not a pro. I'm just cooking for myself, but I love it. I saw the recipe from TikTok, and I've been cooking my pasta using that recipe for months now. I just got back from walking and it's nighttime here. I think that's all for today. I know I didn't do a lot. It's just me being lazy. I've been feeling under the weather for the past 2 days, and today was actually the first time that I went out after 2 days. Um, I had fun filming this one. I really like it. It was a bit embarrassing while filming in the supermarket, but who cares? I'm just being myself, right? I'm still not sure about what to do with the vlog, whether I'll do silent vlogs or voiceover or just like this, talking to you. Can you suggest what to do best? Oopsie, ouchie. And anyway, I had a great time filming this one. I'll see you around on the next vlog. Ciao, ciao.